So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the third installment of building a race car. We got a lot of progress done in the last video, which was yesterday for us.
Last week.
Anyways, so we got the front metal, like the fenders and whatnot, and the grill off the car. We're still kind of waiting on the interior. It's actually soaking wet from the rain we had, so we're gonna let it dry out a little bit before we mess with it. The other day it was like 65, 70 degrees, which was fantastic, and now it's really cold again. So that's why we're in.
It's like 50 when I look at them.
Oh, it was colder than that. It's like 42 in the shade, but anyway. I know we're just bitching and moaning, but
that's what we do.
Yeah, that's what we do. So today we're going to work Firewall forward, start taking some of this stuff off here. I've got to save this wiring harness for my dad because he uses some of the wiring for his tractors and whatnot. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and start on the Firewall here, and yeah, we'll get to work.
Yeah, I do. My first toolkit came with 7/16.
I would hope it goes with those. So now, bam.
Ha! Rubs off.
Right. Man, I'm actually kind of surprised the flare nuts actually are not like super rusted in there. Here, can you find it? Pull those loose.
Yeah, I'll put that back. That ain't gonna
Ew.
Hey, does it matter? This thing's out of gear.
Shut up.
Love you mean it.
Okay. I want to hit it. Oh, that's still kind of tacked.
I got you.
There you go. I got an AC control unit.
I got this gaggle of stuff.
Oh, what's that? There you go. There you go. There's a big hole in the firewall. So Joey got the steering column knocked loose, so this whole piece should come out. Joey? Huh?
Gutters anywhere. That'll come out. Maybe.
Sure. There you go.
Not really.
Bam. Do you want me to just stick this directly on the trailer?
Actually sit in the bed of my truck.
Alright, cool.
Did you hand me a 17mm?
What was that?
Shut up.
guys, we've kind of gotten to the point now where the teardown is pretty much finished. After we pulled the carpet out yesterday, we realized that we've got a lot of cleaning we need to do because there's still like small like insulation and whatnot in here. We also need to trim a couple of brackets off of the car to build it up and whatnot. There are brackets that we don't need. So for the most part, the teardown's pretty much done, and I feel like because I've done, I think this is the second video on the teardown. I filmed a lot, but I kind of like condensed it down in each video to where it was like significant stuff coming off. That way you could actually see our progress. But I think it's kind of run its course for the teardown stuff. I am planning on asking my chassis builder, John Klein, at John Klein Race Cars, if he wants us to go ahead and seal up this firewall, because we do have to seal up all the holes we're not using, especially where the HVAC stuff was. I'll do that if he wants me to. If not, you know, he'll do it at his shop. So there's not going to be any videos on this for a while, mainly because we got to get the other car ready to go for 2020 or this year now. And yeah, we got to do a gear swap and stuff like that. But this car is going to kind of go on the side for now, especially while it gets the cage built, and I'm having a professional do that. I'll admit that cage building is not my thing, so I want a professional to do it. So the car will be over at John Klein Race Cars getting that done. Once it comes back, we'll clean it up even more and probably start looking at building the car up, and then, you know, we'll tear it down and get it powder coated and whatnot, so that way we can protect the chassis. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the series so far. If there's something specific you guys want to see, leave it down in the comments below. Also, let us know in the comments below where you plan on racing this year, and hopefully we can try to get there and check out some of our subscribers, because I know a lot of my subscribers race, so I want to come check you guys out at the racetrack. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. I want to say a quick shout out to our Patreon supporters. Thank you guys so much for what you do and for what you continue to do. And if you want to support 3-0 Racing, I will leave a link up here in the corner. You can check that out for all the benefits of being a Patreon supporter. So thank you guys so much for that. I also want to say thank you to Whiskey Prison for coming on board with 3-0 Racing for the 2020 season. And I also can't thank Carolina Racing Supply enough for their help and their input on this build. It's really going to be helpful. So with that, guys, I will end the video here. Thank you so much for watching the video, and as always, we will see you in the next video.